kind of performance with a normal muffler. That's all to do with the straight pipe. So we're gonna stick this son of a bitch in fucking probably in, I don't know what that is there, probably B1. We got this big fucking thing behind it here. We're gonna just step it out of the way. Hey guys, how's she going today? Well, I think we're gonna be done combining here this afternoon, which is all at the same time. Means I gotta wait another fucking year before I can do it again, but we got a hopper on of the good black stuff here. I'm not filling her right to the tits because it's pretty fucking windy out, and canola's got a habit of blowing away when it's like that. It's such a light little seed, so I don't really want that blowing right off the hopper of the combine. So I got room for a little bit more, but I mean, even if I was filling it to the top, I'd end up even farther away from the trucks here anyways. So while I'm close, I'll head over and dump, and then we won't have such a long drive. So anyway, Antoine got the 860 going again, and Amanda's in the 21. 7721's hanging out over there in case someone breaks down, but I don't think she's going to be doing any more acres this year. I think by the time Dad gets home from work, we're going to pretty much have her in the bag here, so I'll have quite a few trucks to go and dump, I'm hoping. So the Detroit's got 2 dumps, and the Freightliner has 1. It'll have 2 after I dump this, then Antoine with the Massey can top the 2 of them off. I mean, we got lots of room here yet for grain. I don't know if we'll use all of them, but it would be nice if we do anyway. Anyway, I guess swing our Hooger out and get lined up, and we'll talk to you in a little bit. Oh yeah, had a nice little corner here. Oh yeah, gotta come over and fucking take it away from me. Cab full of girls being mean. Yeah, gonna make me fucking back up out of the way too. Jeepers. Some people's children, I tell you what. Let's just sit here and for shame. Everyone in the comment section, just for shame. Shameful, Amanda. Taking up my swats. Throwing chaff on me. Oh yeah. Really nice of you. I appreciate that. Jesus Murphy. Some days I wonder why I put up with the constant harassment. Some people. Anyway, we're kind of getting down to the shitty bit here now. There's quite a bit of kochia and junk in this corner. It's quite the fucking mess, but oh well. I don't know, next year I might actually seed this little 10-acre chunk into hay, because it always ends up being just more kochia than crop. See, that whole middle piece over there isn't anything of use, even while on this hill here too. There's junk, but whatever. It's what happens, I guess. Anyway, keep on keeping on. Just about done. Almost got a hopper full again. It is the Luftwaffe! Or the RAF! Here they come again! Crazy bastard. Anyways, that's the neighbor. That's like his 3rd time. Oh shit. He's probably gonna loop around and come back again. I don't know if you can see him or not, but he's turning. Pretty funny. Well, we're on the final slots here. Juan's got a couple over there, and I've got this little corner of not much here left, so the wind knocked my piece over up there at the camera, so the camera's buried in grain right now, but the hopper isn't going to get that full that we need the extension anyways, so anyway, Dad's just bringing us a grain truck over here because Antoine's pretty fucking near got a hopper on, so that is just quite alright, honestly. Anyway, I'll bring you back on the last pass here. Oh, Larry. There we go. Well, kind of threading the needle here so I don't run over the swath beside me, but I got one little piece left. Antoine's taking the last big swath, and then we got a little bit of stuff blowing around on the hills, but that about wraps her up. Kind of a strange year. Haven't finished on canola before, I don't think. But it was a gamble that paid off putting this one in later there. Just for the timings of the rains and thing, it actually kind of worked out for a guy. So anyway, all in all, not too bad anyways. So, I guess we got this little tuft here, and that's that. There you go. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Nice. We'll let Antoine zip around and pick up all those little tufts that the wind fucked around, but other than that, let's head her to a truck and dump. Oh, there's a truck coming to me, so even better. Cue the grumpy old man voice. 50-20 says it's cold out for this bullshit. Well, the next day after combining there, got 50-20 percolating because I want to try out the shit spreader. Put new paddles on it, got the high speed working for the floor chain again. Ugh. Should be pretty nice. Should work, just fucking fling the shit. So I'm gonna put a load on it here and go try it, and then it stopped raining now. Had a shot of rain again. So I gotta go and unload all the grain trucks there yet. They're just hanging out by the auger. Didn't want to dump them in the rain. I know it adds moisture, but my luck, it'll all fucking heat. So anyway, we'll throw a load on here and we'll talk to you in a little bit. There we go. Go see how she wants to work these days. Now that it'll be more than just a chicken shit spreader. Do one load a year. Off we go. fucking low gear before, and holy fuck, it seemed like it'd never fucking get empty. Oh, those new feeders are sure ripping that fucking stuff apart. Nice! Well, next day here, working on hauling in a wheat contract. They decided they wanted that. Well, may as well get it over with. Nice day out for it. Rain on the way, so rather do it while it's nice like this so the trucks don't get all dirty. I'm on my second trip. I got to come with one more load. Antoine's been here once. He should be back before too much longer with his second. Well, I got to bring 5 loads, so yeah, the wheat lost a grade, of course, because of that rain it got on it. Still a number 2. There's not much of a difference on price though from a 1 to a 2, so I'm not too concerned about it. Got real nice high protein. Let me get my paper here. So there's my last load at 586. If it would focus, whatever. 15.5 protein, 12.5 moisture, 2.4 dockage. So there's our weights and everything, if anyone was curious. But anyway, I've just been hanging out in the lineup here waiting. Shouldn't be too much longer. There's a Super B dumping, and then this semi in front, and then myself, and another semi behind me, and then the neighbors with their Ford L9000, their 8V71 Detroit in it. So, fucking twinsies. Anyway, I suppose we will talk to you when we get home again. Well, back at the yard again here. This will be the last trip. I don't need a full truck, but I'm going to bring him a full truck because the price is good, so. Oh, it's nice out. Antoine's working on the big swinging door on the back of that truck. There's a spot that was rusted out and the door didn't want to swing anymore, so he's going to put in a new piece of metal. Massey and the 2188 are both cleaned up. I'm going to do the 1682 and the 7721, and then the big swather, but I kind of want to go cut some cattails and junk with it if I got time yet. And yeah, that's kind of what's going on here. I want to go get the 895 and get the heavy harrows out yet, and all kinds of stuff. So anyway, get this loaded up, worry about one thing at a time, and we'll bring you back here when we're on the road again. Well, that's that done with. So now I'm going to start hauling oat straw bales to the guy who bought them. He's just at town, so it's not too far to go at least. But I think that's where I'm going to leave you guys for now. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit the like button, comment, subscribe for more. And we'll talk to all you guys in the next one. Twan's in there fucking around because he broke the truck. What a guy. Anyway, adios.